Hello my dear students. Now I am here with the topic of Marathas. It is for class 7th standard and it is a part of history. In these students you are going to learn about the childhood of Shivaji King, his ideals, the way he resisted Mughal and Bijapur army and establishment of Maratha kingdom, and his administrative measures are explained here. Firstly, about introduction students, what happened is Marathas were the ones who revolted against the Mughals in the Deccan region. When Mughals were at their height of power in North India, Shivaji was the founder of Marathas dynasty. Got it students? This is the introduction of Marathas. Now let us see about this great king, that is Shivaji. Shivaji was born in Shivangiri, Durga, near Pune. His parents were Shahaji and Jijabai. His teachers were Dadaji Kondadeva, Tanaji Malai, taught him the lessons of warfare. And students, in the beginning Shivaji was the leaders and Malwas, the tribe people of Western Ghats, and built a brigade and held a high position in society in the Sultan Japan. He assembled the leaders of Malwas, the tribe people of Western Ghats, and built a strong army. Next, that's footsteps of Shivaji. Footsteps of Shivaji is nothing but from where he has delivered. At the age of 14, Shivaji captured Durga, which was under control of Adil Shah. Okay, Adil Shah of Bijapur. After this, he won Raigada, Simhagada, and Pratapgada one by one. And enraged by this, sultans of Bijapur sent his general Afzal Khan to suppress Shivaji. So what happened? Because of this, he was expanding his empire. Because of what happened, sultans of Bijapur sent his governor general, that is Afzal Khan, to suppress Shivaji. Afzal Khan wanted to kill deceitful means they used to kill by not in a way, not in a way like showing that they are calling as a friend by making plans. So he invited Shivaji under his pretext. That means friendship, only just something not reserved. Just for talking, he called him, and expecting this, Shivaji killed Afzal Khan with Vyagraha Naka. By that, he called firstly by the thing he wanted to kill Shivaji. Because of that, Khan called him deceitfully. So what happened? Shivaji killed Afzal Khan. Vyagraha, a weapon that hid with him. Aurangzeb, his general Shahista, took down again to make him down. Happened Aurangzeb, his governor, then but clever was defeated Shahista. Now let us happen. Shahista Khan had stayed at the of Pune to Shivaji. He get hold of even waiting for 2 long years. One night, Shivaji in disguise along with his soldiers entered the living quarters of the Shah Khan and attacked him. What happened? Shivaji was a very clever king, and Shaista Khan somehow escaped the attack but lost his thumb. In panic, Shaista Khan fled from Pune. Because of that, what happened? Shaista Khan left Pune. He ran away. This maddened Aurangzeb, so he sent a huge army under the leadership of Raja Jayasimha. He defeated and captured a few Maratha forts. Later, he attacked Surat and ransacked huge wealth from there. Got it, students? And what happened? Because of that, Aurangzeb arrested Shivaji on his arrival and kept him in a prison of Agra. But Shivaji played a trick and escaped from jail and reached his capital. And what happened after that? He won all the forts that he had lost to the Mughals. He attacked Surat, ransacked huge wealth from there. Now let us see coronation. He used to perform some functions. Now let us see about that. In Raigada, Shivaji was conferred with the title of Chhatrapati. He got a title that is Chhatrapati and was crowned king of Marathas in a lavish ceremony. Soon after coronation, Shivaji won Jinji, Vellore and large area of Mysore province and received a heavy tribute. But Shivaji could not live long to witness the grandeur of Marathas. Now let us see administration of Shivaji. There were 8 ministers called Astha Pradhanas to assist him in administrative matters, means to help him in his administrative matters, and the prime minister was called as Peshwa. After the death of Shivaji, a political crisis arose, but it was successfully solved by Peshwa and smoothened the administration. From here onwards, the administration of Maratha provinces was taken over by the Peshwas, means prime ministers, and Balaji Vishwanath Bajirao I and Baji Bajirao are important Peshwas who ruled Maratha kingdom. Students, this was about administration Shivaji and how he had and how he was a king, and he was a very clever king. You got about him, and he was strong of Marathas dynasty. So thank you students for watching this video, and again I am suggesting you to point it down every important points. Thank you.